please, the God bless you, top home. Stay home. Stay home. Top home. Nothing they road. Nothing important. Top home. So the shit can just go away. Anyways, yeah, that's the message. Top home. Please, the God bless you. Stay home. Seriously, stay home as much as possible.
Butterfly, 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 butterfly.
Hi, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to JDog, Just Locks J Variety. I did my makeup for this video. I'm getting there. Definitely getting there. I like it. So today I'm in my pajamas. I am not social distancing. I mean, yes, I'm social distancing. I mean, I'm not in quarantine because I still work. I'm an essential employee. But anyways, besides all that, I'm here to show you guys this really quick video. So since we're home, let's play with our locks. And I'm gonna show you guys 5 updos that you could do or you could try at home during this quarantine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Style I'm gonna show you is just a regular bun, and I'm gonna show you step by step. And then you just put the hairpins in where necessary. This is a regular donut bun. So that's the first one. So this is the bun, the donut bun. If you want, you could even make it slacker and make it into like a hot bun, I guess you could call it. But I don't have any hairpins in my hair right now, so definitely use hairpins and tuck it down. And it will just be like a side bun or like a hot bun, or I don't know what it's called, a French bun, because it looks like a French hot type of thing. The second one is my favorite. It's just a very simple wraparound bun. And this is kind of different from the donut bun. This one you literally just wrap right around. And then you just tuck it under and put the hairpins where necessary. I personally do not like hairpins, so I try not to use hairpins or as much or a ton of hairpins. And that's just simply it. That's the wraparound bun. That's the wraparound bun. And you literally just rub the hair around. And that's pretty much it. The next one is a fan. And this one, let's see if I, so you bring the hair down. And you kind of puff it up and have like a ponytail at the back. And and I'm gonna use one of these rubber bands. And then just tuck it on. And this is simply the fan. Use hairpins when necessary. I'm not gonna use hairpins because I'm in the house. So, and again, I don't like hairpins. So yeah. And so what was it? 1, 2, 3. The fourth style is a bow. I have not mastered this as yet, but I'm going to try my best. So you part the hair out in two. And then last but not least, which is my favorite, the Poetic Justice. And I do not have a white headband, so I'm going to use the blue. That's nice. So I folded this into like 3. Now here we go. You bring it to the back. And that's pretty much it, the Poetic Justice. So the 5, I don't remember how much I did, if it was 4 or 5, but oh well. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Send me some ideas you guys would like to see me try. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, eat onions, garlic, you know, vitamins, sanitize your hands, wash your hands with soap, and God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Tap ayayada. If you're an essential, tap warm. Thank you.